is knocking at the door. It is only a matter of days before we open the door and step to the other side. The fresh New Year 2022 awaits on the other side, and soon we will be closing the door on the passing year 2021. It is that time of the year when people are basking in the festivities of the holiday season. Christmas was celebrated with a whole lot of pomp and grandeur all over the world on December 25th. On December 31st, we will count down to another year ending and a new one beginning. From mouth-watering treats to night parties, these are the ways that people commonly celebrate New Year. This year, New Year is more special because last year's celebration were dimmed by the scare of the coronavirus. As we make our way with hope, dreams, and a promise of a better tomorrow to the upcoming year, it is best to remember that the world is still under the fear of COVID 19 and the new variants that made their way. Amid the increasing cases of Omicron this year too, people will have to celebrate New Year under restrictions. Alarmed by the rising cases of Omicron in the country, various states have imposed lockdown-like restrictions and banned public gatherings. Some of the states have also issued fresh guidelines on how to celebrate New Year 2022. While Karnataka said it will not allow DJs to perform in New Year celebrations, Mumbai has made it mandatory for party organizers to acquire a written permission from authorities for the gatherings, and in the meantime, the Delhi Disaster Management Authority has extended the COVID restrictions such as the ban on social and cultural gatherings and the cap on bars and restaurants to operate with 50% of seating capacity. These curbs have been extended till December 31st midnight. However, the DDMA said the currently permitted and restricted activities in Delhi will continue up to intervening night of December 31st and January 1st. The uncontrollable crowd that emerging in the states of Kolkata has forced the police to take action and replan their procedure of crowd management. Places like Airport Zoo, Victoria Memorial and Park Street are expected to have large crowds on New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. Officers at the police headquarters implied that the number of cops on the streets of Kolkata would be doubled. However, the vehicular movement in Park Street will not be stopped on New Year's Eve. Odisha has been the first state to prohibit New Year festivity party. Along with the state, Gujarat, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Assam have also imposed the night curfew to prevent the country from further spread of disease. No matter how we celebrate the New Year, at the end what matters is the safety of our people. Stay home, stay safe this New Year. Headlines Tripura and Calcalling National wish you a very happy and prosperous Happy New Year.